Welcome, today I'm showing you how to activate Google Assistant option into your TCL NxtPaper 10s. First of all, open your Google application, this one. Then on the top right corner we got our Google account icon, so tap it, and here find settings. One more time, sorry, go back. Our Google account icon, tap, and here go into settings. Now go into Google Assistant, and in this menu scroll down and find General option. And now tap here on the switcher to activate your Google Assistant, and confirm operation tapping turn on one more time. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.